And hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Phillip Page. Hey, for everybody who appeared and who took part of the live that we did last Sunday, I want to thank you so much for being a part of that, because that was an amazing experience. For those of you who weren't a part of it, we were able to do a live experiment combining different elements to see if energy can truly be manipulated by spirits in order to form words. Now, in order to do this, we documented everything that took place, and we used multiple microphones aimed at the willow box to see if the noises and the energy and the tone and the vibration and the wind that it gives off was able to produce any type of EVP. Now, when we're talking about EVPs, let's go old school a little bit here for a second, because we have Class A, B, and C. Class A EVP is the type of EVP that it sounds clear and crisp, almost like there was someone right there talking into the microphone. Class B, buddy's wanting a treat. There he is. Class B. Class B is an EVP that you can still make out what's being said, but it's a little degraded. It's maybe not as clear. And of course, Class C EVP is you think there's something there, but you're not quite sure. It's inconclusive. Now, I'm going to leave it up to you to listen to this, to see what you think. I'll give you my opinion at the end of it. Now, if you're going to watch this, I would highly suggest that you use headphones, because listening to the audio just through your TV speakers or your computer speakers isn't going to cut it for this. Because what we were doing was seeing if any type of EVP could come in underneath the main audio that was baselined at the beginning of the session. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we had 3 different microphones aimed at different parts of the willow box. The audio that we're going to hear is those 3 audio sources layered on top of one another. So you're going to be hearing audio from the stereo microphone on top of the willow box. You're going to be hearing audio from the shotgun microphone on top of the willow box. Then you're also going to be hearing audio aimed at the base port that went into the tape recorder. We have a mixture of old school and new school technology in this just to see what worked. And at the end of this video, I will give you my thoughts. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this is Phillip Page. It is Sunday, October 3rd, 2021 at 7:50 p.m. First test using the Willow Box with Audio-Technica stereo microphone plugged in, aimed at the EM fan. Also have a Trackstar shotgun microphone plus 10 decibels. Also aimed at the top of the EM pump. Tone is sent to a sine wave at the lowest frequency. Starting session now. Hello, this is Phillip. I mean no harm. I am asking Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, and David to please come here during this session to oversee this session. I welcome any spirits who might want to come through and use this device. We're going to be testing certain things, trying certain things, and I welcome any spirit who might want to come through and be a part of this and help us learn as this goes forward. So what I ask is if you can please use any of the vibration or the tone or the sound or the wind that is coming from this device right here. If you can please try to find a way to come in under that sound, under that noise, and use it to amplify and make words. I will be giving approximately 10-second pauses for responses. Are there any spirits here with me right now? Is there anybody who would like to come through and try to use this device to speak? Do you enjoy doing things like this? Do you enjoy coming in and trying to manipulate and play within this field to form words to where we can hear? Now, I feel like there maybe is a few, or are a few in the area. 3 or 4. Am I correct in that number? Okay, we're going to be raising tone 25%, lowering volume. Hello, hello, this is Phillip. How does this tone work for you? We're going to add in something different at this point. We're going to be adding in an audio tape recorder. Okay, tape recorder is starting at approximately 7:53 p.m. Starting tape recorder now. Tape recorder has started. If you're able to use any of these devices, I welcome you to come through and to use them. So when you leave your body, is the experience confusing for you? Who is there to greet you, or who greeted you when you left your body? Do you come here often when I do a session? Okay, we're raising tone to 50% at 7:55 p.m. Lowering volume. Again, I welcome you to come in and manipulate any of this audio. Mic check. Okay, mic is good. I didn't see anything moving. I apologize about that. When you've left your body, do you enjoy coming back and speaking to the living or interacting with the living? Raising tone 75%. Now, there's not a whole lot I'll be able to hear from you right now, but if you do leave a message, if you do say something, once we review this, we'll be able to go through and hear you. Now, if you do try to leave a message, I'm going to ask, please try to gather your energy as much as possible so that we can actually hear a voice. If you come through soft and as a whisper, we very well may miss it. Now, there are some people who are saying that they think they hear some voices coming through. Can you confirm that? Are you indeed speaking through this? Raising tone 100% at 7:57 p.m. So vibration has increased. Lowering volume just a little bit. Okay, I thought I just heard something. Is there a male who came through? The timestamp approximately 7:57 when I thought I heard a male's voice. Is there any messages that you'd like to give us who are watching? Because we have several people who are watching right now. You know, if you do come through and say something, if we can capture you speaking through this, this will be an amazing find. Let me ask you this. Are you at peace? Are you happy? Do you need a prayer said for you? Okay, I do have a meter that is on the tape recorder. If you can feed something specifically into this device right here, this microphone, or even into this box right here, that meter may jump up. Okay, I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for, if you came through and if you did participate, if you did speak, I want to thank you for that. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel David. I do ask that if there's any spirits or any souls who need help, who need education, who need guidance, to please assist them, if at all possible. If there are any who are ready and able to cross or to find that happiness, to find that light, I ask please, if it's within their allowance, please allow that. I just heard a bass rumble. Did you guys hear any of that? I just heard like a low bass rumble. Again, I thank you for your time. I ask, please do not stay in this home. Please do not attach to me. Please do not attach to my dog. Please do not follow me. I ask, please return through the gateways and the doorways which you came. And I ask that my protectors and my guardians please ensure that those gateways and those doorways are closed. Until next time. Okay, and session is ending. It is 8:02 p.m. Turning down the tone and turning off the EM pump, stopping the tape recorder. Okay, guys, so when we're going through the audio, the shotgun microphone didn't really appear to pull much of anything. The audio that I feel that we got the most out of was from the stereo microphone, which is an Audio-Technica stereo microphone that frankly you can get from any type of electronics store for about $30. It's not really a high-end microphone, but that pulled in the most. Now there were some areas where the tape recorder combined with that audio, with the stereo microphone audio, combined, they did seem to pull something in. I think most of the audio that came in was either Class C and a few Class B. Now he's running outside. I apologize for that. But that's my opinion. Now I'm going to go through the audio again. I'm going to see if there's any type of way we can pull some of that sound out. Now you'll notice that if I wasn't too sure about something, I had a question mark at the end of it, even though I annotated it. Okay, so guys, I welcome your opinion. I welcome your thoughts. If you want to see more experiments like that, let me know. And I thank you again for your time. If you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that notification bell, and it helps this little channel grow. All right, guys, thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.